Every year, each one of us celebrates one.
Every year.
How you choose to do it, it's all up to you. If you Jay-Z, it's the 40-40. If you Diddy, it's Saint-Tropez. But what if your name is Rich Image? Rich Image. Rich Image. That iconic figure that is known the world over. How would you do it? Well, on Saturday, April 16th, there's only one way. One way. You shut down Brooklyn. Invite all your friends and do it up in fine style. Saturday, April 16th, Rich Image Birthday Bash.
The club ain't even handle me right now.
Brooklyn is going on lockdown.
Lockdown.
Cause when Rich Image throws a party, it's gridlock. Oh, and he's not even the president.
Nice.
So people, come out early. And ladies, how can we forget the Rich Image Best Dressed Moet Award, where some lucky ladies will be awarded a bottle of Moet Rose.
Moet Rose.
Yes, I said Moet Rose.
Pop a bottle, pop a bottle.
So ladies, just bring it.
Just bring it.
Brooklyn's top selectors will be there. I'm talking about Hot Stepper, Madman Panther, No Apology, One Drop, the international DJ Little B, and the man himself, Vibes Man. Saturday, April 16th at the Island. Live videotaping by Laser Video Tech and Sean. Photos by 5 of New York's finest. For tickets and information, contact Rich, 347-513-8912. Parties Are Us, 718-844-6743. And Dave, 718-781-1366. Rich Image Moet Award, sponsored by Popmasters Delight and Glenroy George Law Firm. Special thanks to Parties Are Us, Popmasters Delight, Glenroy George, Event2B.com, Lexus Promotion. And remember, quality counts.
Ready?